Hi folks, today we have some carpets to clean and we're in a lovely house in Surrey and we're just about to tackle these grease stains that are on the carpet. And as we walk up the stairs we have this nice little bedroom. It's like a loft conversion, so we've got that to do, and we've got 4 other bedrooms to do as well. And so we set all our equipment out. As you can see, we're using corner protectors here so the hoses don't rub against the woodwork and damage it. And yeah, carpets are all deep pile, fully synthetic carpets. And again, we've got some oil. It looks like makeup, but it's actually oil, the client said. So so we've got a lot of spotting to do before we do the main clean. Right, first things first. Well, we've done the vacuuming. That's the first thing. We've opened some windows to let some fresh air in as well. So I would say we're going to press on now with these oil stains. Pre-spray to the carpet, and then we're going to agitate it with our rotary machine, and finally right, all the cleaning's done. Last thing to do is to groom the carpet, reset the pile. We never leave shark's teeth in carpets, like some of the videos that you may have seen on Facebook. This is exactly how you should leave a carpet. Like that.